The field of generative AI is moving away from simple, static text interfaces and toward active, recursive control loops. Large language models are increasingly being used as cognitive controllers, units that direct complex software operations rather than just retrieving information. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang describes these systems as information robots, defined by their ability to perceive, reason, plan, and act. An agent rarely sees the whole picture. This partial visibility is modeled as a POMDP. S is the total environment state. O is the limited observation space. It uses memory M, an action space T, and a policy pi to reach its goal. This mathematical framing moves the engineering focus away from prompt design and toward the orchestration of the entire control loop. To build a functional agent, we start with the reasoning engine, the agent brain. Perception is the first point of contact, translating raw data, like pixels or HTML, into partial observations the model processes. The primary bottleneck here is grounding. Multimodal models often struggle to map a visual interface layout to a precise semantic intent. During the planning phase, the model uses an inference time budget to test sequences of moves before committing. An action module then closes the loop, sending commands back into the environment to generate new observations. This basic react loop is brittle. Without a persistent state tracker, an error in perception propagates through planning, creating a repeating cycle of failure. To maintain progress over long durations, the architecture requires a memory update mechanism to track reasoning traces and execution feedback. Standard retrieval augmented generation follows a linear path. A query pulls data from a vector database, and the model uses it to generate a one-time response. In a live enterprise environment, this single pass fails if the retrieved data is stale, the search is incomplete, or the model encounters an unexpected knowledge gap. To solve this, memory is reimagined as an active reasoning tool. In this iterative query engine, the agent evaluates the relevance of its own retrieved data. If the facts are insufficient, the model rewrites the query and searches again until it has the context needed for an accurate decision. To prevent this history from exhausting the model's context window, systems use retention policies, paging out old data, or condensing episodic traces into hierarchical summaries. This self-refining memory acts as a critical buffer, preventing the agent from basing its autonomous actions on incorrect or hallucinated information. With a grounded plan, the focus shifts to the action policy, the logic determining how the agent impacts its environment. Early systems relied on rigid API calls. These are stateless and struggle with schema friction, where the model has difficulty formatting data for complex external tools. Many modern architectures now use code as action. By generating and executing Python scripts, agents can utilize complex control flows and track variables across multiple steps. The most versatile action spaces involve native computer use, where the agent moves the mouse and types directly onto a graphical user interface based on screen coordinates. This flexibility creates a severe security risk. If an agent parses an untrusted web page, it can ingest an indirect prompt injection that hijacks the model's instructions. These capabilities necessitate standardized connector protocols, like the Model Context Protocol, and strict sandboxing to ensure the agent does not execute malicious commands on behalf of an attacker. Even a secure agent faces a cognitive ceiling. At a certain level of complexity, a single model can no longer manage every variable in a massive repository-scale workflow. To handle this, engineers distribute the cognitive load across multi-agent systems, assigning specific segments of the problem to specialized roles. A chain topology enforces sequential procedures in a linear waterfall. In a star topology, a central controller manages the subtasks. A mesh topology allows decentralized interaction for adversarial debate to identify and correct errors. However, unstructured communication between agents often leads to conversational paralysis, where the cluster enters a loop and fails to reach a conclusion. Flow engineering provides a solution. By modeling the system as a deterministic state machine, developers establish explicit transition paths and insert guard notes that require human approval before sensitive actions occur. This approach ensures reliability by constraining local language model decisions within a fixed, developer-defined graph. Moving from an academic sandbox to an enterprise environment requires navigating several engineering trade-offs. These trade-offs are tracked through the classic framework: cost, latency, accuracy, security, and stability. Increasing reasoning depth creates an efficiency-intelligence trade-off. While hierarchical tree search planners improve accuracy, they trigger a significant increase in token consumption and computational cost. This depth also creates latency. A system that requires minutes of deliberation is currently unviable for real-time environments like autonomous driving. To bridge this gap, developers use distillation to compress a logic of these slow reasoning networks into compact, edge-deployable models that react instantly. Success in production depends on resolving this latency cost bottleneck without losing the reasoning depth required for autonomous work. Evaluation must also account for stability. A high mean success rate often masks catastrophic edge case failures that occur in a stochastic environment. In healthcare and finance, engineers must analyze worst-case failure modes to ensure that the system's compliance is predictable and non-negotiable. Because these agents ingest live data and execute code, defending the integration boundary remains the central security imperative. Creating a reliable agentic system requires a tightly coupled pipeline of perception, active memory, and constrained action. We are seeing a shift from writing software logic to designing cognitive control loops. Realizing the potential of agentic AI requires building secure, auditable environments that can harness a model's reasoning while strictly bounding its operational freedom.